guys, Tracy here and welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing a Boxycharm unboxing. And what's special about this box, it is Boxycharm's birthday month, exactly like me. So I am so excited to see what's in this box. I don't know what variation I got. I already snipped it open so it'll be easier for me to access this. So if you guys want to see what I got in my box, keep on watching. Alright, so like I said, this month's theme is their birthday theme, and it's Boxy Bash. So as you guys know, on these cards it has all the pricing, discount codes, everything. Remember, this box is $21.99 a month and it brings you 5 to 6 items. So if you don't got a Boxycharm, yeah, slipped it. So this month we got 6 items due to their birthday month, and the first thing in the box, it's the Cover FX Blurring Primer. This is a lightweight, soft focus primer that blurs the appearances of pores, fine lines, and other imperfections, creating a smooth canvas for flawless foundation application. Bueno. So this retails for $38 and I cannot wait to test this out. Next thing in the box is the Aesthetica P12 Face Brush. With synthetic fibers that allow for maximum control, the P12 Face Brush is perfect for creating a seamless look. This retails for $27. Next thing in the box, it's Beauty Creations Liquid Lip Gloss. Ooh, and this is like a Boxycharm collab, as you guys can see in the box. Let's see. Oh, it smells like candy, guys. It smells like candy. Ooh, this is so pretty. Boxy, you always coming with the right lipstick shades for me. So this is the Beauty Creations Liquid Lip Gloss. Beauty Creations Matte Liquid Lip Gloss is specifically formulated to provide full coverage that dries to a seamless, smooth, and matte finish. Its lightweight application is long wearing for effortless lip color that complements all skin tones. This retails for $10. Next thing in the box, we have the Aesthetica 3-Piece Eye Trio. The Aesthetica Trio series comes with an angled eyeliner, brush, a brow spoolie, and a fine tip eyeliner brush. A convenient 3-in-1 use for a wide variety of looks, from a subtle wing to a dramatic cat eye. Use the brow brush for fuller, more defined brows. This retails for $45. And this actually came matching with the Pretty Vulgar Ink Gel eyeliner. This is so pretty. Like, this is like something that you would put, this is like a collector's item. Come on now. This is so pretty. Like, if I had a quill, I would have so used this with a quill and just put like my wing liner on. I've never been a fan of gel liners, but I am willing to try it with this. So, and last but not least, we have the Pure Cosmetics Sculptor palette. This is a 4-shade sculpting palette that features 2 high beam highlighters and 2 matte contour shades that will leave skin sculpted to perfection with highly pigmented and buttery formulas. This retails for $30. So let's see what's in here. And that is how it looks. So I'm so glad we got this sculpting palette. I will be using this and hopefully I like it, because I really like the Ivy Wide palette. So there you have it, guys. That is my Boxy Bash box. What variation did you get this month? Let me know in the comments below. So if you guys want to see more unboxing videos, also let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, guys. Subscribe, like, it's that easy. And also put in that notification bell so you don't miss a video that I post. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and